Panganjali, Om Swastiastu. Good
Om
afternoon,
Swastiastu.
sir and my friends. On this occasion, we will present the result of our study on Trihita Karana as a foundation for controlling Sara-based social tensions. First, we group three would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Marta Uli Tambunan with scene 26. And my friends,
Okay, my name is Alfats Anasirul Safie and my last scene 24. Next.
My name is Panisria Sang Putri Amajana, Latsin 17.
dan teman kami Fibermanto Manik dengan NIM 19. Next to introduction. Indonesia has a high level of ethnic, religious, and cultural diversity, which on the one hand is a national treasure, but on the other hand has the potential to cause social tension. Managing diversity requires wise values and approach in order to prevent conflict. Trihita Karana is a Balinese local wisdom that emphasizes harmony, human relationship with God, fellow human beings, and the environment. These values play an important role in maintaining social stability. In Sambangan village, the application of Trihita has proven to help reduce potential social tensions, creating a harmonious and peaceful community. Next to observation method. The study uses a descriptive qualitative observation method. Data was obtained through direct observation, interviews with the head of Sambangan village, Yoman Swarta Sudarsana, a religious leader, Jeromangku Imademerta SPD, and a resident of Sambangan village, Putu Mutiarsa, as well as file documentation. Data validity was ensured through triangulation of observation, interviews, and documentation. Next to place and time of observation. The observation was conducted on 7 November 2025 in Sambangan Village, Sukasada District, Buleleng Regency, Bali, covering the village office, temple, Banjar, tourist area, and surrounding environment. Next to data collection techniques. Data was collected through direct observation, face-to-face interviews, and file documentation. Data analysis was conducted qualitatively to obtain objective and comprehensive conclusion. Materi selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh rekan saya.
Okay, thank you. Next, I would like to present the overview of social condition in Sambangan Village. Jadi di sini akan membahas gambaran kondisi sosial di Desa Sambangan. Uh, First, Sambangan Village is a traditional village with a well-functioning social structure. such as traditional Banjar and village administration. Jadi di desa Sambangan ini, desa ini tradisional yang struktur sosialnya jalan banget, mulai dari Banjar, adat sampai dinasnya itu kompak. And community life is characterized by uh, togetherness and adherence to awik-awik. Jadi kehidupan di sana itu ciri khasnya adalah kebersamaan dan mereka sangat patuh dengan awik-awik atau aturan adat di desa tersebut. However, although there are difference in economy, education, and tourist interest, potential conflict can be mitigated through the application or Trihita Karana values. Jadi meskipun di sana ada perbedaan ekonomi, pendidikan, dan kepentingan pariwisata, jadi potensi konflik ini bisa direndam lewat penerapan nilai Trihita Karana. Next. Now let's move to the specific values. Here we have Parahyangan and Pawongan. First, Parahyangan. Parahyangan form the spiritual foundation of society through religious activities. Jadi Parahyangan ini jadi pondasi spiritual masyarakat lewat kegiatan keagamaan dan the values of Dharma, self-control, and the teaching of that Tuan Asih for mutual respect. Jadi nilai-nilai seperti Dharma, pengendalian diri, dan ajaran Tatwam si itu yang memperkuat rasa saling menghargai. These values as a inner bond that prevents conflict based of ethnicity, religion, and race. Jadi nilai ini ikatan batin yang mencegah konflik SARA. Second, Pawongan. Pawongan is reflected in the culture of mutual cooperation and Banjar deliberation. Jadi kalau Pawongan ini tercermin lewat budaya gotong royong dan musyawarah mufakat di Banjar. Harmonious social interaction, strengthen community cohesion, and serve social control mechanism to prevent conflict interacts. Jadi interaksi ini sangat harmonis. Inilah yang memperkuat di desa tersebut persatuan warga dan jadi alat kontrol sosial biar tidak terjadi konflik di desa tersebut. So that's the about social condition in Sambangan Village. Next material presentation about my friend. Thank you.
Okay, thank you the opportunity. The next material, Palemahan. Palemahan is manifest through concern for the environment, such as community service, waste management, and nature conservation activities. Environmental activities serve as a medium for uniting communities across groups and strengthening a sense of togetherness. Nah, artinya pada bagian Palemahan ini jelaskan bahwa keharmonisan antara manusia dan alam itu sangat penting. Nah, nilai ini diwujudkan melalui kepedulian terhadap lingkungan seperti kerja bakti, pengelolaan sampah, dan kegiatan pelestarian alam. Selain itu, menjaga lingkungan, kegiatan tersebut juga berfungsi sebagai sarana untuk mempererat hubungan antar anggota masyarakat yang ada di Desa Sambangan dan menumbuhkan rasa kebersamaan tanpa memandang perbedaan antara satu dengan yang lain. Next. The role of traditional and religious leaders. Traditional and religious leaders act as mediators in resolving social issues. Conflicts are resolved through traditional assemblies based on the principles of deliberation and justice. Village regulation and traditional sanctions are educational and restorative in nature. Nah, artinya peran pemimpin adat dan agama. Nah, pada bagian ini menjelaskan bahwa pemimpin adat dan tokoh agama memiliki peran strategis dalam menjaga keharmonisan sosial. Nah, mereka bertindak sebagai mediator ketika terjadinya konflik di masyarakat. Nah, penyelesaian masalah ini dilakukan melalui musyawarah adat yang mengutamakan keadilan dan kebijaksanaan. Nah, aturan desa serta sanksi adat tidak bersifat menghukum semata, tetapi juga bertujuan mendidik dan memulihkan hubungan sosial. Nah, kemudian values education and the younger generation. The values of Trihita Karana are instilled through families, schools, and youth organization. The involvement of the younger generation in social and cultural activities maintains the sustainability of harmonious values amid modernization. Nah, artinya eh, pada bagian ini dijelaskan bahwa nilai-nilai Trihita Karana ditanamkan sejak dini kepada generasi muda melalui keluarga, sekolah, dan organisasi kepemudaan seperti Karang Taruna dan lain sebagainya. Nah, keterlibatan generasi muda dalam kegiatan sosial dan budaya juga sangat penting. Kenapa? Agar nilai keharmonisan tetap terjaga dan berkelanjutan. Nah, meskipun masyarakat terus berkembang mengikuti modernisasi saat ini. Oke. Untuk materi selanjutnya, saya kembalikan kepada moderator.
Okay, next material presentation with me. The review is regarding spiritual leadership ethic. The village head implements natural, deliberative, and dharma-based leadership to be building trust and social stability within the community. Jadi, kepala desa di sana ini melakukan gaya kepemimpinan yang netral dan mengutamakan musyawarah dan berlandaskan dharma. Nah, gaya memimpin seperti inilah yang ngebangun kepercayaan warga di sekitar dan bikin kondisi sosial di desa tersebut jadi stabil. Next, on the right side, we have mechanics for resolving social tension. Social tension are resolved preventively through traditional dialogue mediation by community leader and spiritual approach. Jadi maksudnya itu kalau semisal ada ketegangan sosial, mereka menyelesaikannya secara preventif atau pencegahannya lewat dialog tradisional, mediasi oleh tokoh adat dan pendekatan spiritual. Jadi nggak perlu nunggu dulu meledak dulu baru diurus seperti itu. And the concept of Wabineda is understood as balanced diversity so that conflict can be managed wisely and sustainably. Jadi mereka juga menggunakan konsep Wabineda yang dipahami sebagai keseimbangan dalam perbedaan. Makanya konflik yang ada di sana bisa dikelola dengan baik dan bijak dan berkelanjutan. So, presentation with me and next saya kembalikan ke moderator.
Okay. The conclusion. The values of Trihita Karana are effective in preventing social tension in Sambangan village through a balance of spiritual, social, and environmental relationships. Supported by the role of traditional leaders, ethical leadership, and values education, Trihita Karana functions as a social system that can maintain harmony and tolerance amid diversity.
Uh, Thank you, sir and friends, for I hope what has been presented has broadened our knowledge and understanding. With that, the presentation session for Group 3 concludes. We apologize for any shortcomings. That's all, and thank you. Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om.